I've noticed something recently. Our daughter's been glued to her phone all the time. Have you seen how much time she's spending on social media?
Yes, it's been worrying me too. It's like every spare moment she has, she's either on her phone or just scrolling endlessly. And it's not just casual browsing. It's constant even at the dinner table.
Exactly. I don't think this is healthy. She's barely interacting with us anymore. And I've noticed her grades have slipped a bit too. I feel like it's affecting her focus.
I've been thinking about what we could do. We can't exactly take her phone away. It'll probably just make her resent us. But maybe we can set some ground rules.
Like a screen time limit? Maybe she can use social media only after homework is done. Or for a certain number of hours a day.
That could work. But I also think we need to understand why she's spending so much time online. Is it because all her friends are there? Or is she getting too absorbed in influencers and trends?
Good point. Maybe we need to have an open conversation with her. Not just lay down rules, but ask her what's drawing her in so much. If we understand her perspective, we might be able to help her find a balance.
I agree. I've also heard about apps that track screen time. We could suggest she monitors her own usage so she becomes more aware of how much time she's spending.
That's a great idea. And perhaps we can introduce more family activities. Things to keep her off the phone. Going for walks or board games. Something to reconnect us all.
Yeah, I missed that. And maybe we could encourage her to get involved in something hands-on, like learning to cook new recipes or growing indoor plants. Something that's both fun and productive.
Another thought, what if we reached out to someone at her school like a counselor or teacher? They might have some insights or advice on how to handle this from their side.
That could really help. If they've seen other students struggling with the same issue, they might have some useful suggestions.
Sounds like a plan. Let's have that talk with her tonight and hopefully, we can get her back to a healthier routine.
Agreed. It's all about balance. She just needs to understand that too.